well, International Food Policy Research Institute. So it's a policy center, economic center, and the center focuses on also institutional reforms changes among all 15 CGI centers. And so some sort of distinguished features of IFPRI. The one is IFPRI is a very decentralized organization, although the headquarters is in Washington, but we have country programs, regional offices in Africa, in Asia. So more than half our staff, probably 70–80% of our budget is spent for the countries, for the region.
Now, with all that support from IFPRI, everybody talks about the elephant in the room being policy. How exactly are you closing the gap? What policies do you work on?
Well, there's a saying that you can always eat rice, maize, corn, wheat, potato, fish, animals, but you cannot eat policy, right? However, without policy, you will not be able to eat at all.
Mm-hmm.
So,
how does that happen?
My view is, at global level, we don't have a food security issue. We have a policy issue. We have a failed policy issue. So, and we have a huge gap in policy. So, for example, here in Africa, the capacity of making policy based on data, based on information, based on evidence is absolutely lacking.
You are a research institute, and one of the challenges that we face is converting that research evidence into policy. And you've clearly said you provide options. How do you make sure that those options are within the cocktail that the politician will choose from? How do you accompany your research into action?
The key here is partnership. Partnership with the national researchers, national stakeholders. So when the national stakeholders embrace certain policy options, they will work through the system, governance, political system, to make positive policy changes.